Dear students, now I am going to be continue the examples in the AP. So two more examples are there to finish this concept. Okay. So here what they are given, the sum of n, 2n, 3n elements of an AP are S1, S2 and S3 they have given. Show that S3 is equal to 3 into bracket S2 minus S1. Okay. So the sum of n, 2n, 3n elements is S1. So S1 is having n elements, S2 is having 2n elements, and S3 is having 3n elements. Okay. So therefore, that is sum of the first element, that is n, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then S2 is, that is 2n divided by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. And S3 is what I have to get, what I should have to get, that is S3, that is 3n by 2, that is 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. So first I will take the RHS, that is S2 minus S1 I will do, that is S2 minus S1. What is S2? That is 2n by 2, the 2 will get cancelled, that is n into bracket 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now I can multiply this n inside the bracket. Then here this n by 2 also I can multiply inside the bracket. Okay. First of all, what I will do, I will make the combination of these first two. That is 2a. So here n is the common. What remains here? Or it's better I will do. Okay. 2a as the common multiple here. In between these two. Okay. 2a. I will take 2a. Then n. This is minus n by 2. If I multiply this one in bracket, that is 2an. Then this one is 2a minus 2a n by 2. Okay. So now plus again this n is going to be multiplied, all this in the bracket. Then okay, so that is nd. Better I will multiply this n inside the bracket, and what I will get, that is 2n square minus nd. 2n square minus nd, here minus n by 2 minus n square by 2, minus into minus here, plus that is n by, sorry, here d also going to multiply, that is 2nd, 2n square d is actually, d is common multiple, 2n square d minus nd. Okay, here also n square by 2d minus into minus, that is plus n by 2d, n by 2d. Okay, this is what, this is when I take the LCM, 2a, then 2n minus n is again n by 2. Okay, plus here again make this one n square d as the common multiple, n square d. If I take the common multiple of n square d, or else I will take the combination of this one, that is 2 to the 4, 4n square d minus n square d divided by 2. I had made this one combination, this one and this one. Then here plus I will take, that is 2 is the common multiple, 2nd here I will take nd minus 2nd divided by 2. Okay. Okay. So the next one is what we have. This is 2a inside the bracket n by 2 plus this is 3n square d by 2. I'm sorry, 3n square d divided by 2, and here minus nd divided by 2, minus nd divided by 2. So now what I will do, I will take the n by 2 as the common multiple outside. N by 2, if I take n by 2 here if I take the n by 2 common multiple, this 2 ends for this one only. Okay, okay. Let's start 2a plus ala. 2a totally n minus n by 2. This is just a term as 2a. Okay. N by 2, if I take the common, then here what remains? 2a into bracket 1 plus n by 2. When I take the n by 2 as the common multiple, this is a n by 2. This is a 3nd 3nd minus d. N by 2 have been taken. Okay, 3nd minus d, because I should have to get that is 3n by 2, n by 2 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here also I can take, that is what I can be take. What I can be take here? It is this is 2a only. Sorry, this is 2a plus. Got it? Okay. So here, what I did, overall n by 2 I have taken outside the bracket. If I take the overall n by 2 as the common multiple, then here what remains? 2a. So here 3nd here, that is the n by 2 if I take, that is minus d. Okay, this is n by 2, then 2a plus d I will take as the common multiple, then what remains? 3n minus 1 into d. So now what I will do, I will multiply and divisible by the 3, then here I should get it as the what? That is 3s2 minus s1. Okay. So here I have to be multiply and divisible by the 3. Then only I can get this one condition. Okay. That 1 by 3 is divisible and the multiple will be 3. That is 3n by 2. 3n by 2. 3n by 2. Then 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. What I did? This is 1 by 3 is divisible and 3 is the multiple here. Okay. If I cancel these 3, then again I get the above one, that is 1 by 3. What is 3n by 2? Here we have 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d is, that is your what? S3. Okay. Here in the LHS what we have? S2 minus S1 is equal to S3 divided by 3. When I take this 3 to the LHS, that is 3. S2 minus S1 is equal to what is the answer is S3. So this is what we have been shown that. That is 3s2 minus s1 is equal to what? That is the answer is s3. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding this example, then you can ask. The example is very simple. Got it? Just I did the combination, that is 2 minus s1. Then I have been bring that RH system in terms of the what? That is n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Then I did the multiple and divisible by the 3 and I get this term. Okay. So if you have any queries regarding this example, then you can ask. So the next one example is having, so this is the next one example. The sum of first P, Q and R elements of an AP, they have given the value it as A, B and C respectively. What we have to be sure that A by P, Q minus R, what we have to do that? A by P, Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus P plus C by R, P minus Q is equal to, the answer should be, you should have to get it as 0. Okay. The sum of the first elements of an AP, that is S. Sum of the P elements, first P elements of an AP is A. Sum of the first Q elements is B. And sum of the first R elements, they have given it as the C. Okay. So now the sum of the P elements, how we can derive? That is P by 2. That is 2a plus P minus 1 into D. Got it? This is a SP is equal to what we have, that is A. This is the first one. Then SQ, that is Q by 2. This is 2a plus Q minus 1 into D, that is having the value, which is second one. And third one, that is SR, that is r by 2, then 2a plus r minus 1 into b, that is c. This is the third one equation. What I should have to get it as? From 1 I will take. From 1. Here what I will do? Here I will take this a to the LHS, then it is becoming p by a. Sorry, I will take this p to the RHS, then it is becoming a by p is equal to, see, I have been taken this p to the RHS, then it is going to the denominator, then this 2 I am going to multiply inside the bracket, and a by p is equal to what we have, that is a. So one more thing I should have to be remembered that, so see here, this a and this a are the same. Now what I will consider as in this equation, capital A as first element, capital A as first element, and D as common difference. Common difference. Yakandre ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ repeat ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. So that's why I have been taken the capital letters. So in place of small letters A, I will take it as the capital A. In place of small d, I will take it as the capital A. So not repeat agibadi. Okay? So now from 1, better I will solve here. Okay. From 1, I will take this p to the RHS, then it is a by p is equal to, I will multiply this, it means I will take this 1 by 2 inside the bracket, then it is what you will get 2a by 2, that is a plus p minus 1 b by 2. Getting? Okay. From 2, what I want is a by p, next b by q. It means I will take this q to the RHS, then it is b by q, and again I multiply this 2 inside the bracket, that is 1 by 2 inside the bracket. Then b by q is equal to again a by a plus 2a by 2, that is a, then it is q minus 1 b divided by 2. Okay, and from 3, I want c by r here, c by r, then I take this r to the RHS, then it is goes to the denominator, c by r is equal to, I multiply this 1 by 2 inside bracket, that is a by 2a by 2 is again a plus r minus 1 into d by 2. Here you r minus 1 by 2 into d by 2. Okay, so this is the what value of a by q, b by q, and c by r. Okay, from this condition, what they have given, a by p q minus r plus b by q r minus p plus c by r p minus q. I should get the answer, it has the what? The 0. Got it? So here, in place of a by p, I will substitute a plus of p minus 1 d by 2. Next, plus b by q is having a plus, that is the q minus 1 into d by 2. Then plus c by r is having, that is again a plus r minus 1 into d by 2. So here, what should I should get the answer, it as the one. So into q minus 1 I have been forgotten, I am sorry. D by 2 in place of a by p, that is having the, this is into q minus r into q minus r. Got it? Then b by a means, that is the, I am sorry, b by q means, b by q, that is a plus q minus 1 into d by 2 into r minus t, then plus c by r is having, that is a plus r minus 1 d by 2 into p minus q. So this is what we have, and we should have to bring the answer, it as the what? The 0. Got it? Okay. So the next one thing what we have to do is, here if I multiply this q minus r inside the bracket, then a into q minus r, a into r minus p, a into p minus q. So totally I will take the common multiple as the a, then this one is what? Q minus r plus r minus p plus then p minus q. So this one is common multiple, then plus again I take the d by 2 as the common multiple, d by 2 as the common multiple, then q minus r into p minus 1 here, q minus r into p minus 1, then plus here also d by 2 I have taken, then q minus 1 into r minus p, then plus d by 2 as a common multiple, then r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay, next here plus q minus q get cancelled, plus r minus r get cancelled, plus p minus p get cancelled, then 0 into this one is 0, then here it is having a d by 2 inside the bracket, multiply this one inside the, that is pq, that is pq minus rp, then minus q plus r, then plus q minus 1 if I multiply inside the, this is qr minus pq minus r plus p, then plus r inside the bracket, r plus 5 r multiply inside the bracket, that is pr minus qr minus p plus q. So now plus pq minus pq get cancelled, minus rp plus pr get cancelled, minus q plus q get cancelled, plus r minus r get cancelled, plus qr minus qr get cancelled, then plus p minus p also get cancelled, then 0 into this one will again what? 0. This is what the very simple that we have been solved this example. Okay, again I am going to repeat this one example. Okay, so here in this condition what they are given, the sum of first PQR elements are having A, B and C is the value they have given, and what we have to be prove that A by B Q minus R plus B by Q R minus P plus C by R P minus Q is equal to 0. The sum of P elements is A, Q elements is B, R elements is C. Okay, sum of P elements I have written SP is equal to, in place of P, in place of N, sum of N elements is N baritate, in place of N we have to substitute it as the P. Okay. But here I have been taken the capital A and small, in place of A, small a, the first element I have taken the capital A, and so common difference is D, because those elements are again going to be repeated here. Okay, and that is sum of the first P element P by 2, 2a plus P minus 1 into D, sum of Q element, that is Q by 2, 2a plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to D. They have given the value as respectively I have taken. Sum of R element, that is R by 2, 2a plus R minus 1 into D is C. Okay. So what I want is A by P, D by Q and C by R. Okay. So leave this. How do you get the A by P? I have taken this P to the RHS, then it is A by P. Then I have multiplied this 1 by 2 inside the bracket, then it is A plus P minus 1 D by 2. Again, to get the B by Q, I have taken this Q to the RHS, then it is becoming B by Q. Then 1 by 2 multiply inside the bracket, then 2A by 2. That is A plus Q minus 1 D by 2 as the same. To get the C by R, I have been taken this R to the RHS, then it is C by R, again 1 by 2 inside the bracket, then I get that is A plus R minus 1 into D by 2. Okay. The condition I have been written, that is A by P, Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus Q plus C by 2, P minus Q. So already I have been find out the A by P is, I have been substitute here into Q minus R, B by Q I have been substitute here and into R minus P, C by R is again substitute here into P minus Q. So among this, so when I multiply this Q minus R inside the bracket, then it is what? A into Q minus R plus P minus Q into Q minus R into D by 2. Got it? So A into Q minus R, so A totally have been taken as a common multiple, then Q minus R multiplied, R minus P multiplied and P minus Q. But we have to be what? Adding those terms. Got it? So when I take this one, then plus when I take the D by 2 among these, taken the common multiple, then these two are multiple, P minus 1 into Q minus R, Q minus 1 into R minus P, and R minus 1 into P minus P. Okay. Then in here, When I taken this one, that is plus r plus or minus r plus cube minus cube and plus p minus p get cancelled, then 0 into this one is again 0. Then I multiply these two and these two, then I get these terms, and respectively plus minus the terms are going to be cancelled here. At the last again we get it as the 0. Got it? So this is what this example by pausing the video. So by pausing the video, you have to note down the notes. Okay. If you have any queries, then you can ask me personally. Okay. So give your attendance compulsory. So thank you very much.